Next up, behind the scenes. This time, a return to Lion d'Or in Washington, D.C. The setting at Lion d'Or suggests a comfortable elegance, a theme that's reflected in the food served there. Chef Jean-Pierre Goyenval's cooking deftly combines country simplicity with a continental sophistication. And now we join Pierre and Chef Goyenval.
All right, Jean-Pierre, you're going to turn this lobster to a souffle?
Of course, we're going to try, yes.
I like to see that.
Okay, with pleasure.
It's a great lobster. It's very much alive, you know?
Okay. Well, you know, the first thing we have to do, of course, is to remove the meat from that lobster. And so you crack open the lobster tail, and after with a spoon you remove the meat from that lobster. And here you have about 2 lobsters. Okay, we're going to prepare the paste for that lobster souffle. So the first thing we'll do will to put the lobster meat in a kitchen...
That's a food processor.
Food processor, yes. And we add just 1 egg white, so this helps to keep it together. And it will run better like this. See, you turn it on, and this should take about 30 seconds, sometimes a little longer, you know, until it makes really a puree, and you see, it's very easy, no work.
And there's no salt, it's just egg white.
Just egg white and the lobster tail, you see, it's done already. And now we're going to put that back in a bowl and add the cream to it. A little at a time, and you mix it well, and when it's well incorporated, you can add a little bit more.
It's binding, you look at that.
Oh, yes, sure.
And no seasoning yet?
No, the seasoning I always like to put at the end, because it's, you know, you control better what...
It's very important to put that in a bed of ice.
Yes.
So it binds...
Okay, a little more cream now.
All right, so I think altogether you put about half a cup.
Well, a little bit more. Sure, that's fine. That should
That's
be
heavy cream, right?
It's heavy cream, yes. This one is quite...
That cream looks great, you know?
Yes, you can use the creme fraiche. It's,
well, that
it's
good. Doesn't look like the regular heavy cream.
Well, this one is a little richer in fat content, really.
But
so
much butter fat, right?
Yes, that's right. Okay, now we have that paste, lobster paste, which is ready. And you want to keep it, you know, this is something that you make in advance.
I see.
And so you have your best for your lobster. And you're going to keep that for about an hour in the refrigerator.
So, Jean-Pierre, the mixture is cool enough?
Yes, now everything is ready. We have our rest, and we are ready to proceed with the lobster souffle. So I'm getting the paste out of the...
I'm the egg white for you, right?
Oh, that's very nice. They look good.
They look good.
Okay, and you see the paste now, it's a little thicker, and you see it's holding up very well. And, you know, the timing is not really important, but at least 1 hour in the refrigeration to get the thing real cold.
You could make that ahead of time?
Oh, yes. You make everything ahead of time. And now we're going to finish the souffle.
Okay.
Okay, I'm going to take a little of the egg white, and this, I'm going to mix it real well. See, you take a whip, and so you mix it. So it's well incorporated and
well
it's
blended.
softer, well blended. And now we're ready to add the egg white, but the rest of the egg white will be added, and we have to mix it delicately.
Then you
not
put
to break
seasoning in your egg white with salt?
Yes, we need to put a little salt and pepper in that lobster souffle. Okay.
All right, very little. You could do that before, right?
Yes, that's right. And we mix delicately, so all the egg white...
You fold it in very, very nicely.
Yeah, just like a regular souffle.
Yeah, and you boil, you get a lot of butter.
Yes, you
butter. With butter.
Yes, with butter, and make sure it's well buttered, otherwise the lobster will stick and you have difficulty to remove it.
I like the shape of the souffle bowl.
Yes, well, it's, you know, you could make them any shape you want.
They work in a round bowl too.
Yes, that's right. Okay, and with that stuff, we're going to fill up the mold. And you take the mold and fill it up with a...
All the way to the top?
Yes, all the way to the top. And you pound it a little bit. So
you make sure it's even?
Yes, it's even. Take another bowl and fill it up. Like this. And with a spatula, you level it up.
Level it up?
Yes. And you put it in a double boiler. The water is hot, almost boiling. And, you know, we put a pepper just to stabilize everything.
So that way they
Yeah,
won't
they
move
don't
around.
move too much around. And you see we have those soufflés ready.
And
And now
now
we are ready to bake them in the oven. So
how long you
take
bake them, Jean-Pierre?
Well, it will take about 4 minutes and at a rather hot oven. And
Well,
you
so
see,
450, something like
that's
that.
right.
Yeah.
Now the soufflé should be ready.
It should be ready? Yeah.
Oh, yes, we should get
let's
that
see.
out of the oven. Oh, look at that. They look
Oh my
beautiful.
God, they're beautiful.
Look at that.
Ah,
Isn't that nice, huh?
Okay.
So, just to finish the product now, if you want to pass me the sauce,
sir.
what we're going to do, we're
Yes,
going to
sir.
all mold. Gee, what a sous chef. Look
You're
at that.
very good commis, you know.
Look at that. And we are going to all
The
mold.
price is right, too.
Oh, good. Okay, we unmold those soufflé. Look at that.
Beautiful,
It's beautiful, huh? And the
And-
smell. Can you smell that?
Oh, I love that lobster
wow.
flavor, you know, the red. This is the
You know,
key.
yeah, that's
When
right.
you get the souffle or any kind of food in front of you, the flavor.
And now you just pour a little sauce on top of it.
How much you put, like,
Well, about
four tablespoons?
Yes, oh yeah, this is about 2 ounces on
Yeah.
each serving.
Yeah, a couple of tablespoons.
Voila. And we put that back in the oven.
For how long?
Oh, this will take about 2 minutes now.
2 minutes.
And they are ready to serve. And, you know, now at that point, the soufflé, as soon as they are ready, they will be, they need to be served.
You know, Jean-Pierre, I can't wait, you know. I want to test them. They're
I'm
ready?
sure,
2
I'm sure
minutes
they're
are up,
ready.
you know.
2
Let's
minutes
see.
are up, and now they're ready. So, oh, look at that. Isn't that nice?
Beautiful.
Oh, wow. Look
The
at it.
bubbling,
Oh, yes.
the simmering.
Uh-huh. Look at that. Well, this one is for you. Let me get the
Oh,
other
look at
one.
that. I can't wait.
And
You have it
this
to-
one is for me.
All right.
Okay. And we should test. Okay, you have your spoon?
Yeah.
Okay. Let me get my
Oh, it's hot.
fork and... yes, this is very hot.
Mmm.
Oh, it's boiling in the plate.
Look, the texture, the flavor,
Mm.
the taste.
Mm.
I'm gonna have
That's
another
very-
bite. All right.
And
Oh.
maybe you can have a little wine with it too. There you are. Bon appétit.
Jean-Pierre,
À ta
thank you
santé.
very, very much. And
My
again,
pleasure. Et bonne
and
santé.
this is great. Thank you.
Merci.
The incredible lobster souffle from Leon d'Or. Now back to Pierre in the kitchen.